Kansas City Royals star has tested positive for the coronavirus. Say it ain't so. Royals catcher Salvador Perez says he doesn't have any symptoms and says no one else in his family has tested positive. Tells us he doesn't know how he got the virus.
Seriously, no, I don't feel anything, and I don't know where I get this. Everybody in my family is safe, you know. And I was in Miami. Everybody know Miami was the second city, you know, and a lot of case, you know. But I don't feel anything.
Salvi is self-isolating right now. By the way, skipper Mike Matheny revealed that he had COVID-19 a month ago. We'll look into both cases in just a few minutes. First, though, we want to look at the latest case numbers on both sides of the state line. Here are the most updated figures. Missouri's reporting 385 new cases just from yesterday. Right now, more than 5% of all tests are coming back positive in the Show Me State, and you see the upward trend there on that graph. Let's go to Kansas now, reporting 929 new cases since Wednesday. That is the highest number since the state started providing updates on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. Right now, 9.9% of all tests in Kansas are coming back positive for the coronavirus. You see that upward trend. That is a notable rise in just the past couple of weeks. Of course, that new mask requirement is now in effect statewide in Kansas, and doctors say if people follow it, it should help curb the spread.
It's really about the barrier. You know, if you are coughing, if you are talking loudly or sneezing or anything like that, those masks can offer protection for you as well as being a barrier for someone who is ill. And, you know, certainly, hopefully, with the mask mandate, people will now be wearing masks. We obviously know that mask shaming has gone on, whether you're wearing it or not wearing it. We know, and history has shown, really, coercion doesn't work for various things. Whether it be religion or other economic or social things. Certainly, if our leaders elect to make those mandates, that should hopefully work.
Some cities and counties in Missouri have similar mask mandates in place, but it is not a statewide rule. Governor Parson has said he's leaving that up to local governments to decide. Happening today, Clay County health officials are changing their mask recommendations. County says if businesses keep capacity at 50%, then wearing a mask is encouraged, along with social distancing. But they let in any more than that, everyone will be required to wear a mask, including staffers and customers. If you visited bars in Lawrence recently, health officials want you to monitor yourself for COVID-19 symptoms. 5 people have tested positive since visiting Bullwinkle's Bar at 14th and Tennessee. They'd been there June 20th, also June 26th and 27th. Last week, health officials traced another cluster to the Hawk Bar. Now, all bars in Douglas County are shut down for at least 2 weeks. Google's rolling out a new feature on Google Maps, pretty nifty, designed to help you navigate around COVID-19 hotspots. It lets drivers know about local health restrictions on their route, like mandatory face masks, for example. People headed to a coronavirus testing site will even get alerts letting them know if they are eligible for a test. So